Alrighty, so this is a cool project. This is actually something that I first worked on when I was learning web development, and that is a random quote generator. So in this project, I'm going to show you how to make an asynchronous fetch request to a REST API in order to get our quotes, but we're actually going to run into the dreaded CORS error, and I'm then going to show you how to solve that problem in case you encounter it in the future using a proxy API. Now, when we actually take a look at our project, we can see that I've tried to make it look as modern as possible. The first of these elements is adding a hero patterns vector background. There's many to choose from, so that will allow you to make it look unique. There's font awesome icons here, and I'm also using a custom Google font, and there are many of those to choose from as well if you want to make your own version. Down at the bottom, we have two buttons. The first is a new quote button. You can see that we have a loader that loads between quotes. The idea is that when this takes a long time to load, which it does sometimes, we want to signal to the user that something is happening behind the scenes, even if they can't see it, like right there. And the other button we have is a Twitter button. So when we click on this, it will open Twitter in a new tab, and if we were logged in, it will allow us to tweet using this button. All right, pretty cool. The very last thing I'm going to show is that this project is also mobile responsive as well. So we can see we have a Pixel 2 XL size that's about the size of most large smartphones. And you can see that our quote container is fitting the size of the screen, and it has a little bit of a margin on both sides. All right, looks pretty good. Let's get started.